What's going on to all my Pyro fanatics? It's your boy Skimp. I'm doing a little stash update. First, picked up some from Phantoms, the Rain of Fire Premier. Got the Pyrotechnic Motherload. Got the Phenomena, Paris Prattle, Geomagnetic Storm, Pounding Barrage, Triple Barrage Flickering Willows. Got me some Neon Blaze, some Maelstrom, some X-Cows, and some Quest Shells. And got me some Smoking Mirrors and some Mike Killians. Go over here. When got a Daredevil, Highfalutin, Riding Shotgun, Hydrogen Bomb, Cosmic Carnival, Twisted Minds, Saturday Night Special, Gunslinger. Picked up another Bold Colors, Swamp Gator, Angry Panda, Windchill, Olay. Got another Pounding Barrage. And went and bought another Wacky Tobacco. And that is it for my Pyro stash. Skimp be out.